Radclo mini drone with camera, 1080p HD FPV, foldable carrying case, 2 batteries, 90 degrees adjustable lens, 1 key takeoff/land, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, toys, gifts for kids, adults, beginner. Fly responsibly. The Federal Aviation Administration requires registration of many drones flown in the U.S. for hobby or commercial purposes. To learn more about drone registration requirements, visit the Federal Aviation Administration's drone page https://www.faa.gov/ua/. Description: Brand Radclo. Color black. Video capture resolution 1080p. Skill level beginner. Battery capacity 800 mAh. Control type app. Media type SD. Wireless communication technology Wi-Fi. Battery cell composition zinc. Are batteries included? About this item. 1080p adjustable FPV drone and app control equipped with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens. The drone provides a wider, breathtaking field of view. It assists you in catching every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective and lets you enjoy 1080p HD pictures and videos via the Radclo app. By connecting your phone/iPad with the long-distance drones with cameras, you can enjoy a real-time panoramic view and share them on your social media with ease. Easy to use with stable altitude hold function. Just click the 1 key takeoff/landing button to start flying. Compared to other drones of the same type, we have a more powerful engine and more stable hover technology. The altitude hold function can keep the drone at a certain altitude for easy control fly and shoot high-quality footage. Larger body size and full accessories, the package comes with a carrying case that is convenient for outdoor travel. With 2 PCS 800 mAh batteries, even if the body is larger than other drones, it can last for 22 minutes. Equipped with controller batteries, a propeller guard, and spare fan blades, this drone stands out in its class. It is also a good choice for gifts. Search ASIN B0CBV5XVPG on Amazon to buy if you need more batteries. Multiple functions fit your need: high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gear. The speed button is on the top right of the controller, not the left joystick. Gesture control, headless mode, 1 key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, 3D flip, low battery warning, emergency stop. All its functions and great quality make it not only suitable for beginners but also skilled players. After sales guarantee, we suggest you test a flight in an open space first time flying the drone with a propeller guard. Note, there might be wind interference when using outdoors. If the drone/remote control/app has any issues during flight, do not hesitate to contact the seller. Against product problems, we'll provide 24-hour technical support, quality warranty, and money-back service. For specifications, order, and other information, please follow the description and click the link. Thanks for watching.